Okuma's top-selling vertical machining center, MB46VII, has undergone a full model change. To contribute to solving social issues the manufacturing industry is facing, the MB46VII has been equipped with OSP P500, the next-generation CNC. The machine has been reborn as a green smart machine that achieves high accuracy, high productivity, and commits to decarbonization. MB46VII is a vertical machining center with a table width of 760 millimeters and a length of 460 millimeters. It comes with a powerful standard spindle that has an output of 22 kilowatts and 199 newton-meters of torque. The machine can perform highly efficient machining, which shortens machining time and increases productivity. The machine is effective in machining parts that have high accuracy requirements, such as semiconductor manufacturing equipment parts, which are increasing in demand. Its rigid double-column construction with small overhang enables even higher accuracy than conventional machines. Due to improvements done to the casting structure and other parts, the machine reduces micro-vibrations that occur during linear axis movement by 60%. Using the thermo-friendly concept, machining dimensional change over time is maintained within 5 micrometers, even in an environment where the air temperature changes by 8 degrees Celsius. The new model has further improved the machine's reputation and has achieved world-class stability for machining accuracy. With a faster feed axis to shorten machining time and using in-spindle coolant suction to reduce non-cutting time, the MB46VII increases productivity in the factory. By motorizing the ATC shutter and interlocking signals with axis travel, operating time is reduced. It also reduces power consumption. Shortening machining time and non-cutting time achieves higher throughput as well as lower power consumption. Chip discharge capacity has been greatly improved, reducing chip-related problems and the need to clean the machine, thus increasing the machine's operating rate. The cover shape has been changed and the in-machine conveyor has been improved. The machine comes with Y-axis cover cleaning and telescopic cover cleaning functions as standard. Less frequent chip cleaning reduces the operator's workload. Various specifications are offered to meet a wide range of machining demands. You can select from 8 different types of spindles according to your machining requirements, which includes number 40 and number 50 spindles. The 30,000 RPM spindle designed for machining dies and molds is equipped with spindle shaft cooling. This enables the machine to maintain geometric boundary errors within 2 micrometers and only requires 3 minutes of spindle warm-up before use. By using a wireless laser scanner, in-machine measurements of die and molds can be done with high accuracy in a short amount of time. Because the measurements are done while the workpiece is still on the machine, even if additional machining is required after measuring, it can be done without resetup of the workpiece. We offer labor-saving functions that fit your production system. The sludgeless tank dramatically reduces the need to do troublesome tank cleaning. This means less interruptions during operation and improvement in productivity. The number of tools required in the ATC magazine can be increased depending on machining time requirement. A maximum of 13 hydraulic and pneumatic ports can be equipped, allowing the machine to flexibly use various jigs and do automatic clamp and unclamp for various workpiece shapes. We also offer solutions for transporting workpieces using robots. Depending on production volume, the movable collaborative robot can flexibly adjust to the number of machines that must be automated. Peripheral devices are combined with a robot to form a standalone articulated robot. The MB46VII can be used as a single machine when installed and can be later retrofitted to be compatible with robots. There is currently a demand from society for factories to save energy and to commit in decarbonization. Okuma's intelligent technology, thermo-friendly concept, enables machines to autonomously maintain high accuracy. And the energy-saving system, EcoSuite Plus, minimizes power consumption while maintaining high accuracy in a general factory environment. In comparison to similar machines that are not equipped with EcoSuite Plus, the MB46VII reduces power consumption by 10%. For this new model, the machine has been equipped with the next-generation CNC, OSP P500, to maximize operation rate of your factory. Highly accurate estimations for machining time can be done instantly, allowing the user to develop an accurate production plan based on machining end time. A new feature introduced on the OSP P500 is the Smart OSP operation. Even a novice who has no knowledge of machining programs and GM codes can machine a part by following the guidance function and entering drawing information of a workpiece. The required manufacturing process will be automatically generated, and within a day, you can create a program and a part. Also, with the machine's high-performance arithmetic processing, machining time for parts is reduced. A green smart machine with upgraded basic performance reduces energy consumption and enables any operator to perform high levels of machining. The MB46VII. It will become, without a doubt, the new favorite in your factory for years to come.